In this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Reach your full potential with the SF-1877 belt drive magnetic indoor cycle. Do the most intense workout safely when you strap into the adjustable pedals. Optimize your riding position and performance when using the thick 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebars with multi-grip functionality with a variety of riders. With the twist of the dial, increase or decrease the magnetic tension instantly. The heavy-duty frame can support riders up to 265 pounds. A near-silent, smooth belt drive paired with a 28.5-pound flywheel create a comfortable, quiet environment. Keep track of your heart rate with the convenient pulse sensors. Stay engaged with your favorite workouts with the integrated tablet holder. Conquer any training program using 7 trackable training variables to measure everything from cadence to calories burned. When you're ready to call it quits, push down on the dial to stop the bike. Cool down with the water bottle holder, then move the bike out of the way with the transportation wheel. Train with confidence using the SF-B1877 belt drive magnetic indoor cycling bike.
Why we recommend this product.